Hi, it's Geeta, and welcome to Swamp Watch, Congress Edition. Two notable things happened this week. Number one, Charles Kushner, who is Ivanka Trump's father-in-law, was approved as the U.S. ambassador to France. If you've seen my video on ambassadors, you know it's pretty common for presidents to reward family members or big campaign donors or close friends with ambassadorships, and this is no exception. Charles Kushner is actually a convicted criminal. He was convicted of tax evasion and illegal campaign donations, and he actually tried to get revenge on his brother-in-law by hiring a prostitute to have an encounter with him with a hidden camera in the room, and the man's wife, who was Charles Kushner's own sister. So I don't know if he's a good guy, but he's our new ambassador to France. The other major thing that happened in Congress was that the Anchor Act passed with 97% support, so very broad bipartisan support. What the Anchor Act is a plan to improve the cybersecurity and telecommunications of the U.S. academic research fleet. In the Supreme Court, two pretty significant things happened this week. On Monday, the Supreme Court reaffirmed the block on President Trump's order to deport Venezuelans using the Alien Enemies Act. That basically says that in a time of war, the president can deport people without due process, and the Supreme Court upheld the lower court's block, with all 9 justices agreeing that due process is guaranteed by the Constitution, even to people who are illegal immigrants. And then on Tuesday, the Supreme Court sided with the Trump administration, allowing them to revoke the TIP status, the temporary protected status of Venezuelans who are in the United States. So that means people who had sought and obtained legal asylum here in the United States due to the violence and unrest in Venezuela are now eligible for deportation.